Hindi naman nakuna ng CCTV ng NAIA 3 ang insidenteng kinasangkutan ni Montulfo at ng mag-asawang Claudine Barreto at Raymart Santiago. Pero isang babaeng nakasaksi raw sa gulo ang kumontak sa GMA News para ikwento ang kanyang nasaksihan. Nakatutok si Nelson Canlas.
Nang mapanood sa unang balita ang pahayag ni Montulfo na hindi siyang nagsimula ng gulo sa NAIA 3 kahapon, kundi ang kampo umano ng mag-asawang Raymart at Claudine Santiago. Agad kumontak sa GMA News ang itatago natin sa panghalang Ana. Sabi ni Ana, pasahero rin siya ng isa sa mga airline. Naroroon daw siya nang mangyari ang insidente at nasaksihan daw niya ang mga pangyayari. Tumanggi siyang magpakita ng muka at isapubliko ang kanyang tunay na pangalan para mapanatili ang privacy ng kanyang pamilya. High profile daw kasi ang mga sangkot sa insidente. Pero kahit hindi raw siya sangkot sa kaso, hindi niya raw mapigilang hindi magsalita lalo't nakita niya ang mga pangyayari.
He said that it looked like he was the victim of the incident. So I reacted because sabi ko, that's not the truth. In fact, I was really shouting at the TV. I said, that's not true, that's not true, that's so totally baliktad. So ginawa ko, nag-Google ako sa iPad and tinignan ko kung paano makontak yung GMA News.
Ilang di pa lang daw ang layo niya kina Claudine at Montulfo sa NAIA Terminal 3 kahapon bago mangyari ang gulo. Nung una, hindi niya raw alam na nagtatalo na ang dalawa. Kitang-kita niya raw kung paano hinihingi ni Claudine ang cellphone na ginamit umano ni Tulfo para kunan siya.
Nandun na yung mga security eh. So she was really insisting because we were also cheering na, it's in his pocket, take the camera from the pocket. Kasi we were all witnessing the whole situation. So I think at that point, he pushed Claudine and pinadyakan. Like a martial, it's like to me, it looked like a martial arts kind of, yung parang kinarate. So that's when we all scream, hoy, babaeng tao yan. Syempre we were all saying, that's a lady. You don't do that to a lady. You don't do that to a woman.
Ana, bago niya gawin ito, nakita mo bang sinaktan siya ni Claudine? Or,
no. Claudine was just trying to say, produce me the phone.
Maski raw ang ibang pasahero sa paligid, nagulat sa pagsipa ng broadcaster sa isang babae.
From our point of view, that's why we reacted. Because parang sinapok niya yung babae rather than just hold her, at least hold her arms na, wag mang, wag, or iba yun eh. That's why we reacted. A lot of us, and in fact, I wish I'm not the only one who can speak out like this because there's a lot of us who are watching.
Ang nakikita raw na viral video kung saan tinuyog ng grupo ni Raymart si Tulfo ay second part na lang daw ng pangyayari.
That part that you saw on the news, that's the second part.
Yung video na kumakain.
Yes. Because the first part was where it was really, how it all started and began. And to me, from what we looked at, Raymart was just defending his wife because after even if you're married, even if your girlfriend mo or kahit kapatid mo, nakita mo tinulak ng gano'n, na talagang shocked, na talagang napaano si Claudine. That's why after that, Claudine was very upset.
Panawagan ni Ana, sana raw ay lumutang pa ang ibang nakasaksi sa insidente.
It's about time that we also stand up for our and to our rights, that it's important na we be treated the right way. Hindi porke babae tayo, kayang-kayang sapukin tayo ng kung sino man, no? And kung ako sana, Montulfo, kung nakikinig ka rin, sana mag-apologize ka kay Claudine.
Nelson Canlas, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.